Deje University, congratulations.
Congratulations.
I received the award from UNICEF as the best student academically, smart, and punctuality. I send my sincere appreciation to UNICEF now that I have completed my education.
Big thanks to UNICEF.
A bachelor degree in agriculture, entrepreneurship, and farm management. And now I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Agriculture at Cornerstone.
Maktunu Brian, Odongo Alex, and Adinga Marish.
By virtue of the authority entrusted to me, I confer upon all those persons whose names have been read the degree of Bachelor of Forest Science and Environmental Management, the degree of Bachelor of Sustainable Agriculture and Extension, and the degree of Bachelor of Agriculture, Entrepreneurship and Farm Management of Ndeje University. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And now we'll have the Dean Basic Science and IT to present the various degree students, and then we'll also have the Dean Education.
Congratulations.